Hi friends, welcome to Arnav. Today is the guess it 9th episode in the biology series. So today we are going to discuss about another organelle, of course, the vesicle. Yes, this vesicle is a very important organelle because it transports proteins or items and is also some organelles are types of vesicles. So in cell biology, a vesicle is structured within or outside a cell. Yes, they can be inside or outside of a cell. Yes, not only inside. Okay. It is consisting of liquid or cytoplasm. Yes, liquids or cytoplasm will be outside of it, while it will be enclosed by a lipid bilayer. Lipids. If you don't know, lipids are like fats. Okay, vesicles form naturally during the process of secretion, which is exocytosis, uptake, endocytosis, and transport of materials within the plasma membrane. Yes, they will be formed by these things. Artificially made vesicles are also there. These are called liposomes. These are used to transfer medicine into cells. Okay, the membrane enclosing the vesicle is similar to that of the plasma membrane. Yes, it is like the plasma membrane, but it's not exactly the plasma membrane. Yes, the plasma membrane is also made of lipids but also has proteins on it to make items enter or not come in. Or to exit also. Okay, the intracellular vesicles can fuse with the plasma membrane to release their contents outside the cell. So I'll show a diagram of it. So for example, this is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. So here is a vesicle, a bit small, a bit big. So here is a vesicle. So the vesicle will go here. It will just take out its contents here, and finally the contents of the vesicle will go out. Like proteins. The contents of proteins or any other small other lipids like things. Okay, vesicles can also fuse with other organelles within the cell, like the Golgi apparatus or endoplasmic reticulum or any organelle. Even the nucleus, if it can reach the nucleus. Okay, a vesicle released from the cell is known as an extracellular vesicles. So I'll also show a diagram for this so you can understand. So we need the cell membrane again. So here will be the cell membrane. So this is the cell membrane. So here there's no vesicle, but the vesicle will form from the cell membrane only. So the cell membrane will warp itself. So it will turn into a circular thing like this and finally release itself. So this is the normal cell membrane. It will become normally like this, and the cell membrane outside in the extracellular place is now the vesicle. This is the vesicle, the new extracellular vesicle. There are also types of vesicles. I'll explain them later. Okay, vesicles perform a variety of functions like transporting from one place to another, and there are many. So these are involved in metabolism. Metabolism. Transport, it is its main job. Just transporting items to another place. Buoyancy control, a type of vesicle just controls the buoyancy, and temperature storage of food and enzymes. Vacuoles are type of those. Not the vesicles which do those. So they can also act as chemical reaction chambers. So chemical can react inside these vesicles. So vesicles are like rooms when these reactions happen inside the vesicle. So in 2013, a Nobel Prize in Medicine was handed to 3 people. It was shared. It was for elucidating the makeup and functions of cell vesicles. Yeah, if you don't, elucidating means making the world learn that thing. Yeah. Okay, vesicles dysfunction is thought to contribute to Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, epilepsy, yes, that's very hard to cure disease, cancer and many more, even neuron diseases. Yeah, yes, these small vesicles which carry things can do this much damage if they don't do something correct. Yeah. Now I'll explain the types of vascular structures, and mainly the natural ones which are natural inside your body. I'll also explain the liposomes after this. So first, vacuoles. Yes, vacuoles. So these are vesicles which are used for storage of foods, liquids and any other stuff. Next, lysosome. Of course, they are the destroyers of proteins and others. Lipids or anything, food, like they just break them or just destroy them. They're like dustbin. Next, peroxisome, a big name for vesicles. Yeah. So like lysosomes, these contain digestive enzymes. Yeah, they use enzymes to digest excess nutrients in a cell as fatty acids, such as fatty acids, and also break down alcohol. Yeah, alcohol, they break down it. Next, transport vesicles. So these can move molecules between locations from inside a cell, only inside a cell. They don't throw the proteins outside of the cell. Yeah. So one example of it is proteins from the rough endoplasmic reticulum to the Golgi apparatus, which are transported by these transport vesicles. These transport vesicles are like vehicles, which vesicle names resembles vehicle, vesicle, similar name words. Next, secretory vesicles. So these vesicles contain materials that are to be excreted from the cell when the cell orders them. While there's another one, another type of secretory vesicle, that is the exocytotic vesicle, which just without order throws the protein or thing outside of the cell without any order of the cell. One example of it is in a B cell. The B cell produces antibodies which kill pathogens or order other immune cells to kill the pathogen. Yeah, that's why B cells have these vesicles. Yeah, they are very important for the human body. And yeah. Next, extracellular vesicles. There are 2 main types of them. Ectosomes, or also known as microvesicles, and exosomes. Yeah. So extracellular vesicles are, of course, the vesicles which are not inside the cell, outside the cell. Yeah. Next, gas vesicles, which help for buoyancy control, so the cell can float. Yeah. And matrix vesicles and any other ones. Now I'll explain a bit of the liposome. So I'll show a diagram of it. So a medicine will be taken by the human. So in the extracellular space, there will be special things on the medicine which make a lipid layer, or which make a cell to make a lipid layer on the medicine. So a lipid layer will be formed which makes a vesicle. So that's how liposomal vesicles are made. Yeah. So these vesicles transport the medicine to one place to another. Yeah, it's very easy, simple. These are the main type of artificial vesicles. There might be others, but I don't know about them. Yeah. So some vesicles are made when part of the membrane pinches off the endoplasmic reticulum or the Golgi complex. Some examples of them are transport vesicles, which just do that. I explained this in the Golgi apparatus video, but here. So here there is the endoplasmic reticulum. From the endoplasmic reticulum, the vesicle can come out. So a protein inside the endoplasmic reticulum will be processed in the Golgi apparatus. Simple, yeah. And that is made when an object outside of the cell is surrounded by the cell membrane, like food vacuoles, which I explained in the lysosomal episode. So yeah, vesicles. These are very important for the human cells and body. Yeah, let's just transfer around. That's a small summary. Yes, the summary is they just transport everything in the cell and outside of the cell to places. So this is for today about vesicles. Bye.